So we've proven the change of base formula. Now we actually want to use it. So it says use the change of base formula to evaluate the logarithm and round the answer to 3 decimal places. So for 29 we have log base 5 of 18. And the change of base formula is really helpful because our calculator only has a log key and an ln key. So the log key is just base 10, the ln key is base e. We don't have a base 5 key here. So we can use the change of base formula because log base 5 of 18, you're allowed to rewrite that as log base 10 of 18 over log base 10 of 5. And if you type that into your calculator, that's equal to 1.796. So I chose to rewrite this with log base 10, but if you had used ln, you could also write this as ln of 18 over ln of 5. So if you type on your calculator ln of 18 divided by ln of 5, then you'll get the same thing. So it doesn't really matter if you use the log base 10 or the ln. So log base 2 of 9, if I want to figure out what that is, I can rewrite it as log of 9 over log of 2. And now I can type it in on my calculator. So log of 9 divided by log of 2, and we get 3.170.